What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. Today, giving you some progress on the GTR build. We've got a little further than I thought we'd get last night on it, but we're going to be installing this Johnny. So it'll go like right there. And this is the T1 GTR AOS, but you just put the 3 studs in the cover and then it bolts to the cover. Yeah, that's gonna look nice. I need this black. If anybody's wanting to get me anything for Christmas next year, I'll take a 4.1. Tim Lynch, please. But we're going to be installing this today, guys. Adrian done got the flex fuel put in, and the speed density kit. So, but we're going to show you how to install this, because really don't even see besides on their instructions a good install on this thing. So this will be it. And it also comes with this hardware that Adrian's getting out, and these lines. And here's your but the bumper's back on. I like gold.
Dipstick too.
Oh yeah, and it comes with the dipstick that has this where it drains back, and an AN fitting on it, which looks fun to change out. So we're gonna jump on that, and we'll be back. Alright guys, you actually got to remove the dipstick from right there, which I don't know if the oil will drain out, but we're going to do an oil change anyway, so we're going to go ahead and drain the oil. There's your drain plug, and we'll get a new filter on it too. See how dirty Adrian gets.
Hopefully not dirty.
Oh, dirty. Doesn't look too bad. Definitely needed an oil change.
Definitely didn't have the miles on it.
No. I only think it had like 1,800 miles on it. Don't forget to replace the cross washer on your drain plug. Pro tip, use some oat oil, burn oil for the seal. Run the new filter back up in there. We gotta unbolt this, and then there's a clip down here with a harness on it that you gotta deattach.
Burn. away.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Never fails to be the wrong way.
Alright, here's the difference. And then we're going to go back in with the new one. And put a little oil on that. The new dipstick installed. Did have to remove the belt. And you said an idler pulley?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just to get the new dipstick squeezed through there.
Yeah, we got the drain hooked up to it. And then he's got another one. Where's that one go?
I believe, let's see. Show over to
Alright guys, we're got everything finished up. Yeah, we'll go with that. Alright, finished up this top line. If you follow it, just try to, it goes to that bottom hose down there, and then if you want to follow this one back, it goes to the bottom or the middle. This should be capped off on the bottom. And then I'll go back over this. The top one goes to the right there on the top. And then the bottom one goes to the bottom on this side. And then of course, the one on the bottom of this goes to your oil fill or oil drain. That returns into your dipstick tube. So we're topping her off with oil. If you got these, it is a tight fit for that, and then the hood to close, but I think we can squeeze it in there, but it looks good. Alright guys, that was the T1 AOS install. Next is trans spacer. So we gotta buy some expensive fluid, but it's going to be fun. Alright guys, if you like what you see in this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next episode. Peace. Adrian, take us out.
peace.